Hi there. A warm welcome to the demo site that we have created for viewing your products in a 3D environment. Now, not only viewing the products, the demo also takes care of allowing the users to select a bathroom template and place the components, that is the products, into them and physically view the beauty of their dream bathroom. Facility has also been given to change the tiles in the bathroom, and I hope you enjoy the demo. So to start with this is exactly the home page. As you can see here, it contains many modules like home, products, 3D viewer, video, about us, guest book, contact us. Now we'll be looking into all these different types of uh, modules or menu sections, you can say it over. But to be more precise with the home page, as you can see on the right hand side, we have two different sections mentioned there, called in as the login, which is used for the existing user, as well as the register, which is meant for a new user to be. Whenever a new customer comes into the showroom, we can add details of that particular customer and create an account for him so that he can use it over in his future, right? And for the demo purposes, we have kept the username as Sarah. So I will be typing in the username as Sarah, and the password is also Sarah. On clicking onto the login, it takes me to the home page. Basically, the home page is the products page. As you can see here, we have the different, on the left hand side, you can see the different categories which are available for the products, like the sanitary ware, the faucets, the wellness, kitchen sinks, mirrors, personal care. And on the right hand side also, you can see the different subcategories. And in this case, it is currently showing the subcategories of sanitary ware. So if I click on EWC, for example, it will take me to the subproducts of EWC. Like we have two-piece EWC, wash basin, we have kids range, urinals, cisterns, seat covers, sensor, bath accessories, etc. So now let's say if you want a two-piece EWC, you want the customer wants to add it over to his wish list. All he needs to do is just click on this object, and when he clicks it over, he can see the details of that particular, a detailed picture of that particular object. And when he clicks again, he can see a button here which is mentioned as add to wish list. So the user can then just click on add to wish list to add this particular product to his desire list, which he will be later on viewing it over into the 3D viewer. So I've just added this thing into the wish list, and if you want, we can go back again to the sanitary ware, and I can select one more item. Let's say again in EWC, I go into wash basins with built-in counter. So I have selected two objects, just like the previous case. I add it over to the wish list, and that has been added over. So now let's move to the 3D viewer. That is the main focus of this particular site that we have created. When we move over to the 3D viewer, it will show us the main page. Basically, the main page contains of the wish list, that is the wash basin and the two-piece EWC that I had earlier selected over. Those two wish lists have been appeared here, and it contains a suite of bathrooms, luxurious suite 1, 2, bathroom 1, and different bathrooms are there. This in the middle of the screen, you can see the model that we have placed here, and several buttons here which I'll be taking you or giving you a walkthrough of what exactly these buttons are doing. So we can move inside. I can view all the intricacies of the current bathroom which is opened up. In case I wish to change the bathroom, all I need to do is just click on the different bathroom size, the bathroom name that you want to change it over. On the right hand side, we have created an object, we have created a facility to select the object which you need to move in over inside the bathroom, and you need to change its location or change its position or scale it up or scale it down. So different functionalities have been added over. And also for the tiles, the tiles in the current bathroom template have been listed out. And on clicking on, like it is mentioned there, that click on any tile to change. So if you wish to change the tile, all I need to do is just click on the tile that I need to change it over. In this particular bathroom, there is only one tile which is used for the floor as well as the wall. So that is why we can see only one particular tile being mentioned out here. In other bathroom suites, you will find the different, like the second bathroom contains two uh, tiles. Those tiles will be mentioned there. We'll have a look into all of these. So let's say first is what that I add on the wash basin to my drawing, to my 3D model. So I just click on the wash basin. It takes a bit of a time to come in over. And once it comes here, you can see the select object to move and the wash basin has been mentioned here. So we need to select the wash basin before using all these objects or before using all these buttons. So this is a particular button which helps us to move the device, to move the product up or down. Like this is up symbol, so it takes us to the up. I mean, it moves the y-axis, we can say. And if I want to take it down, we have a down symbol there. I can bring it down also. I can move it to the left, move it to the right using this key. I can move it to the left. I can move it to the right. Also, we have kept two less than buttons here. With this is basically for bringing it back, and this is basically to bringing it forward. So we have tried to give in all the functionalities that are required to place a particular device into it. This is a particular option which helps us to rotate it over. As you can see, the bigger arrow, it represents a bigger rotate, and the smaller arrow, it represents a smaller rotate. So for example, if I click once on the bigger rotate, it has changed its direction. And if I use the smaller arrow, smaller angular rotation to change its rotation slowly, I can bring it over horizontally in a particular way in which I want it to be displayed. So this is how it has been coming over. Now I can take it back. I can take it back by using this key. It will go back. I can take it again to the left. Maybe if I want to place it here, I can click on it and it will move to the left. Maybe a bit forward, a bit back. You can see that we can move inside, and I can check it out whether it is being placed in the correct location or not. I think we need to place it to the down. So I'll just place it a bit more down, take it back, and again take it to the left, a bit more back, to the left. So this is how we can place a particular device into it. Okay. Now as far as these two options are there, the plus and the minus, they are supposed to be scaling up the device or scaling up the product. For example, I have kept a two-piece EWC here, which is of a very low scale. Low scale means that basically we are not even able to view the particular device right now. So once it gets displayed here, we can see the selection here, which is the two-piece EWC which is being displayed here. That's the bowl which we have. We click on that option and I can click on the plus to increase the size of it. You can see the size getting increased, and I can also reduce the size of it. The size can be increased as well as decreased, and the other features can also be easily added over to it. That is, I can move it to the left, move it to the right, move it to the back, and move it to the forward, rotate it. All those things can be easily added over to it. Now let's come in over to the tiles in the current bathroom template. So if I want to change the tile which I have here, I click on this tile and it will give me a series of tiles. We have right now given only around 16 or something, some odd tiles displayed here. We can give a number of things in the original version. So we can click, let's say if I want this particular tile to be mentioned there, I'll click on that particular tile. And the moment I click, it shows us a message, texture has been changed, and it will refresh the page actually, so that the model gets refreshed and it will be displayed to us in a refreshed manner. So it will take a minute, just takes a few seconds in fact. So you can see the model has been changed with the style that we wanted it to change. Again, if you want to change, you can as well again change it over. If you wish to go into the second bathroom suite, all you need to do is just click on that bathroom and it will be coming in over in a few seconds. Because you can see in this particular tile we have in this particular bathroom we have two tiles. These are the tiles which are mentioned here. Let's wait a few more seconds. So this is the bathroom, the second bathroom, as you can see here, right? So if I want to change either this or this particular tile, all I need to do is just click on it and you will get a series of options available here. Any tile you can select, maybe a red tile or something, and you can select, you say OK, texture has been changed, and you can see the change here. The page gets refreshed. So this is taking us to the Luminous Site 1, Suite 1. Go back to Luminous Suite 2. It will get refreshed and you can see the change. So that was all about the 3D viewer. If we go on to the other pages that we have prepared for you, like we have created a video option here, which will show the video option. Click on the video and it will take us to the video page, which will be displaying the video. Here we have given the Sarah video, Sarah advertisement for you to view. Another interesting feature that we have kept in here is the guest book that we have maintained here. Like when we go to the guest book, we can view the options here. Like there is a facility we are giving to the customer to leave their comments regarding the environment they felt here, regarding the products, regarding I mean any kind of suggestion which the customer wants to give, or any kind of comment which the customer wants to leave. He can as well leave it here. All he needs to do is enter his name, enter your name, your, for example, if I say Veena and I enter my email ID and I enter my mobile number and I enter a comment, there are products are fantastic, and I click on submit. When we click on submit, you can see the comments below. So many different comments we've tried out, and you can see the comment that I have added here will be mentioned here. Sarah products are fantastic, and I've mentioned all those email and mobile things have been displayed here. So I think that's all that we have prepared for the demo right now, and I hope you really enjoyed it over. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask us, and we will be giving you our contact details. Thank you so much.